Hi, my name is Nate Scott, author of Life is Rich: How to Create Lasting Wealth, a principle centered, biblically based leadership program focused on personal growth and entrepreneurship. Let me ask you a serious question. What if the next level of real estate isn't just helping people buy homes? What if it's helping them build healthier lives inside those homes? See, most open houses are designed to showcase square footage, but the wellness open house is different because people don't just want granite countertops anymore. They want peace, energy, safety, confidence, better sleep, cleaner environments, smarter living, lower stress. And honestly, most families are overwhelmed trying to figure all of that out on their own. That's why I created the Wellness Home Tour, a room by room experience designed to help people rethink what home really means. And guess what? We can do it virtually. Not just where you live, but how you live. I've watched parents walk through the laundry room section and suddenly realize maybe we shouldn't normalize harsh chemicals around our children. I've seen busy professionals discover systems that save them time, simplify their household, and reduce daily stress. I've watched women light up when they realize wellness and self care don't have to feel complicated anymore. And I've seen real estate professionals completely shift their positioning in the marketplace. Because when you stop being just another agent and become someone connected to better living, people remember you differently. Here's what most people miss: people buy emotionally first, they justify logically later. That means families are not simply looking for products, they're looking for relief, certainty, solutions, simplicity, belonging, trust. The Wellness Open House creates all of that. And the beautiful thing is, there's no pressure. People come, tour the store, experience the products, ask questions, discover healthier options, build relationships. That's it. And over time, those relationships become referrals, community, loyalty, residual value. Because healthier households create stronger households, and stronger households create better lives. So if you're a real estate professional, a parent, a wellness minded person, or simply trying to create a better environment for your family, I want to personally invite you to the next Wellness Open House. And guess what? You can attend virtually. Come experience it for yourself. Walk room by room through a different vision of modern living. Because your home should not only look successful, it should feel healthy too. Comment open house or text HES to 904 544 7424. And I'll send you the next tour date and details personally. Let's open doors to better living. Let's experience life is rich.